Yeah, it's 246, then the pachinko parlor, or?
Big pachinko parlor.
246, but they don't, yeah, I'm gonna throw that out. Geez, I don't want to get on this thing.
Turn in here.
Absolutely no U-turns.
If not, we'll go back and go the way he said.
Whoops, can't enter that way. Okay.
Why he told us
Let's
not.
go up one more block.
Okay, I think one more might be Denison Mary Street, and they were down this way.
They're to the left.
Right. I didn't know why he had.
We'll go up to the light and take a right. Or how about this one? Let's go up to the light.
I bet the light is Denison Mary Street. We'll have, if we can find our house, we'll have to try coming down this way.
Hold on.
How many blocks was it? About 5?
I think.
4?
He said the second signal was all the way at the end, so I'm assuming that the signals marry up with each other, okay?
So here's 1. So we should be a block in, right?
Yeah. How about if I turn at this next street right here? Not the light, but this street? Hmm?
Okay. You think this is it, or you think it's further?
How about, what was the name of that pet place? Was this it here?
No, it was back the other way.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, what was the name?
I don't know my teacher, but I don't know. We think this is the street that we can make a turn on, right? Some of this stuff is obviously here, but I don't recognize it. Like this place over on the left looks like it's been here a long time. You've been here 19 years. Of course, I don't see any wooden structure houses. Do you? Your house is wooden? Unless
I'm trying to look for the, unless we're not in far enough here.
up here behind this hedge.
Ah. This is it. Good Lord. And then, see, there's
the other one. Well,
We're back on the road again. I opened the window because I was getting hot.
This is one of the main drags. This is Highway 58 going north.
Yep.
Naha has turned back. We're heading up towards Camp Lester. Just kind of on our right now. We bring Mandy over here.
That's the hospital.
This is where the hospital.
Some barracks on. Notice how the trees in that meridian are supported. That's for a hurricane, or typhoon rather. Everything here is kind of, most of the structures are all cement. For structure, and there's the hospital back there.
They have the China Sea over here on the left. They've been doing a lot of construction and dredging to
And these-
eventually put
Those things that look like jacks back there, that's for artificial land. And they dredge. They put those in for foundations. All made up. You're just filling in the water. And then
coming up on the left down here. Tom will point it out a little more closely.
what I'm looking at right now, as soon as this taxi goes by, that's where we stayed when we got here. The Hamagawa Lodge.
It's what, $90 a night?
Yeah, $90 a night. Pretty good though.
Overpriced, but for around here it wasn't bad. Fairly convenient.
And we were on TLA, so it didn't matter.
And there's a little Japanese restaurant up here within walking distance from the Hamagawa Lodge that we enjoy to go to. We've been there quite a few times since we moved into the apartment, haven't we?
Yep, we've come back to this place many a time. It's coming up here, it's this little orange building. It's right here.
Yeah, they painted it all up, haven't they?
That's it, that's the place.
They've changed it all around. It used to have a wooden front to it.
Right. Put up by the palm tree though.
Pre-K.
And we're turning here to the video club.
Alright, turn in here to Rick's. Hope they're still open.
Oh, me too.
Otherwise, we have some overdue tapes. We have
There's
a pretty big pachinko slot machine place here.
I can't read it, can you?
No.
Oh, just our spot.
We got one up here as soon as this guy fiddles around here. He's going to pull right up there. 200 yen to the dollar, huh?
200 yen.
200 yen.
Oh, that's great. Pizza in. Okay, we're here. Bye-bye. And we're running out of tape, so we're going to go. I'll say something?
Okay, well, we're just about dark right now, and we're heading into Kadena, and tape's just about out. We just want to say we hope you enjoyed and thought maybe you might like to see how it is that we travel.
We're in Dad's car, the one we showed you before. The tan one. And it's Sunday.
Sunday afternoon, just a little after 5.
Been raining pretty much. Don't hit this lady now.
10 points for Japanese.
Air base.
Don't look through the monitor. Don't look over the top of it.
And
Tommy catches a bus on this street.
yeah, it's about a 45-minute bus trip in the morning. Although it doesn't take that long to get there. That's just because we go, all over the place picking up people.
A little baseball field down there.
Yeah,
Not too much grass on it, a lot of mud.
We just passed a Japanese school. I believe it was a girls' school. Isn't that what it is? And this is a church that we've been going. And you got your green light. Notice we're on the wrong side of the road. And I'm in the driver's seat. And see, this is where I'm sitting.
See if we can turn down here.
Yeah. We're going down the
Look at here first.
small roads here.
Got a taxi cab out here. Whoa.
Slow down. This is where we're going to turn down this street. Where that sign is. Boy, it's weird watching it through this monitor. Like a roller coaster ride. sorry if it's a little bumpy, but these roads aren't all that too good.
Yeah, this one on up here is not that.
And this is kind of, there's a driving range up here, golf driving range.
And we passed this chicken farm. I'm glad the only thing
Yes.
we have on here is audio and visual.
If it would smell, I think we'd all throw up. Because this place reeks. It's a chicken farm or something. I don't know, but it's
Have to hold
smelling. I know, Ken.
up. And if you turn too much to the side, too much of it.
There's a driving range down there. It's a Japanese one.
That apartment, can you see that apartment up there in the...
Yeah. See that apartment up here? That's where we were gonna live, but they couldn't assure us a place or something. But I think it's better where we are now, because you're right in the middle of town, and it's neater. Ow, my arm's hurt. Whoa.
Okay, now, watch out for the bumps. This is kind of bumpy through here.
This is the bumpy road. Dodging cars and
Kind of bumpy. This is the back way to go to the Owase Golf Course.
this is a pretty bad road here. And here's a pretty much American style house. I have no idea what it's doing.
You have to stay straight ahead, Tom.
Alright. Arm is killing me. I'm ready to do a turn here.
This is where we go to the golf course when we come over to eat dinner or brunch, play.
And they have Mongolian barbecue here also.
A couple nights a week.
Yeah, it's on Wednesdays and Saturday nights.
You can see it's still a little overcast,
Yeah.
a little dark. Maybe we can make this light here a little bit.
Okay.
Maybe that's a first.
Yeah, we hardly ever catch that light. And
We don't know how much tape we have left here.
No.
We're gonna
try to squeeze in as much as possible.
squeeze in as much as we can to give you an idea what some of the roads are like.
This is that one that we were on that was real bumpy. That was probably maybe the worst. You'll see. Everything else is pretty nice. There's your scooter. I'm gonna get a view out here. There's the valley out there, and there's water way down there. Coming up here on the right is the golf course. You can see those big cement piling things way off in the distance. Those are ball barriers type things, and that's the parking lot for it. And this is run by Special Services. That's the clubhouse.
We're passing number
That's
one
the
hole
first
on the
hole.
right here, and number
10 on the other.
9, 10.
9's over here. Pretty nice. We're coming up on the main street here in Minami. Behind one of those mini trucks. And this is the main street here. This is Minami. Heading towards Camp Phosphorus. And if you would stay on this street going back the other direction, you'd end up at our apartment. Or near it.
Mm-hmm.
And it's pretty nice. They're building they're building a super highway or something. They've been working on, I think, 9 years now, isn't it? That's Mr.
Been a
Takes
while.
it, yeah. Anyway, they should be finished with that while we're over here. There's a bus. Gas station.
So it's a different stores.
This is
Part of Camp Foster.
Yeah, where you see the barbed wire fence, that means
Both
it's the
sides
base.
of the road. Housing area and some office space on each side of the road. Stand by for a big bump.
Woo! Kind of a dip in the road.